Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I am finally going to be filming my Beautylish mystery bag. You guys know that I did order one of these and it finally came. This is the box that it came in, and of course I blacked out my address just for safety, you know. But anyways, I got the $75 box, but the big XL boxes were actually not available to Canadians. So I wasn't able to get it even if I wanted it, although I did hear that it's sold out really quickly anyway. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I have never had a mystery box before from Beautylish, so let's get right on into it. The first thing here is a Sonia G eye brush, it looks like. This is the Builder Pro. I have never tried any of her brushes, you guys. I've spoken to a few of you guys online about the Sonia G brushes recently. This is going to be my first one, so I'm really excited. I have no idea if this is natural, synthetic, or a mix. It just says it's made in Japan. It's the Builder Pro. That's all I know. So I will definitely test this out for you guys and let you know, but this looks really nice. I'm really excited. The next thing is bubble wrapped in this guy here. This is obviously a setting spray. I can see right away. I think it's from Skindinavia. Let's just take a look here. I'm trying really hard not to open this with my nails because they're gel and I often use them as tools, so I'm trying not to do that because then they'll break. Okay. Oh, perfect. This is it, Skindinavia. It says the makeup finishing spray. This is our weightless mist, keeps your makeup looking flawless and locks in color, helps to prevent makeup from creasing or melting while minimizing the need for touch-ups. So this I've never tried before as well. So I'm really excited about this too, you guys. I feel like, is this one similar to the Urban Decay? You'll have to let me know down below if that's true, because I feel like the Skindinavia brand is so similar to the All Nighter. I'm not positive on that though, that's just what I've heard. But I hope it's not like the All Nighter as well, because if it is, it might break me out, because the All Nighter definitely does. So fingers crossed, but of course I'll let you know what I think of this. The next thing is in a coming soon box. This is, I guess it's probably a new brand. Let me just see. Oh, there we go. Push it out that way. Okay, this is from Good Molecules, and this is the Wake Up Eye Serum. It says it's formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. You're supposed to massage a few drops into the skin in the morning and at night, suitable for daily use. Okay, so I've never heard of this brand before. I'm really excited. I feel like everybody got this in their bag, because I've seen this before in other videos I've watched, but the packaging is gorgeous. I think it's so cute. There's a lot in here as well. It's 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce. So that's a lot for an eye serum, I feel like, which is awesome. I don't even know how much this retails for, but it's made in Korea, so it's Korean skincare. Really excited to try this one out too. The next one is a palette. So this is from, I can already see by the packaging, it's from Viseart. Let's take a look. Okay, this is one I don't have. This is the Viseart Golden Hour. So this is one, like I said, I don't have it in my collection, so that's awesome. Whenever you get mystery bags, you just kind of hope that you don't have things in them, right? Because then it's just like a duplicate of your entire collection. So this is the palette itself. It's gorgeous. It's like a reflective bronze. And this packaging is very similar to the Viseart Tris palette. I did declutter that in my collection because I bought it when it came out, and then for whatever reason, the shades, like the pans inside the palette, were not stuck to the bottom. So they kept moving around, and whenever I would use it, and I was showing you guys on camera, if I tipped it too far forward, like all of them would fall out onto my carpet. It was awesome. So I wasn't using the palette a lot, so I passed it along to a friend who actually uses it a lot more. So I'm very happy about that. But I'm hoping that the pans themselves in this palette are actually glued in this time, because that was a huge issue for me last time. Here's the palette. It looks gorgeous. Let's do the rattle test. Okay, so nothing is moving inside, so that is awesome. Everything is glued down perfectly. I love that. So this is so pretty, you guys. I can't wait to try this. I'm just gonna swatch a few because this looks gorgeous. Ooh, it's nice and soft too. Oh my word, this looks gorgeous. I can't wait to try this out, you guys. Here we go. There's some of the colors here. Oh, they look so pretty. I love that gold right there. The purple is actually kind of like an iridescent, just a little bit. And then we've got that cranberry matte. That looks so beautiful. Okay, so let's see if there's anything. There are two more things in here. The first thing is from Sugarpill. This is the liquid lip color in the shade Crumpet. It is a matte. So I have a feeling this one might be really dark actually. I'm kind of, oh, okay. Yeah, it's I think it's a dark nude. So this is the packaging here. I've never tried anything from Sugarpill at all, so that I'm really excited about. And oh, it's got a nice doe foot applicator. This is definitely a deeper nude shade. So it's not bad. It actually is like really rich and like kind of like a deep berry slash chocolate. Like that's kind of what it looks like in person. And I actually picked the light medium box because I think you could pick light medium or medium dark for when you're selecting your boxes. But I still think this is going to be great on me. It's just going to be a bit more of a vampier look. So I'm really excited about this. If you guys have tried Sugarpill, let me know your thoughts because this is the first time I've ever tried anything from their brand. All right, guys, we are down to the last item. And if I feel like it is what I think it is, I do have it already. This is from Anastasia. This is a glow kit. I think this is sun dipped, but I have almost all of them, you guys. So this will definitely go in a giveaway if that's the case. Let's take a look at it. Here we have the palette. This looks so pretty, you guys. I do have this in my collection already, so this will definitely go in a giveaway, and I am going to not swatch it or touch it or anything just because I will be giving it away. When I use this quad, I definitely use the highlights on the right side more just because I am more of a lighter skin tone, but I do love the other side for eyeshadow for me. I think they're gorgeous, so on a deep skin tone, those would look stunning. So really excited. This is a versatile palette. I think anybody can really enjoy it and love it and just use it how they want. So I'm excited, but I do kind of wish that I got something that I didn't have already, but that's okay. Of course, I wanted to calculate it and see if it was actually worth 150 US dollars because that's what they claim. So if you spend 75, you get a box that is worth 150 or more. So with the first brush, this is the Sonia G Builder. It retails for 28 American dollars. We have the Skindinavia spray. This retails for 29 American dollars. We have this Good Molecules eye serum, which I haven't found a speck of information about, you guys. There are a lot of people trying to sell their product on Poshmark or something, but I don't know what this retails for. So I think this is just a brand that's coming soon from Korea. I have no idea what it is, so this is just a wild card. Then we have the Viseart Golden Hour palette. This retails for 49 American dollars. And then the Sugarpill liquid lipstick, this is 18 American dollars. And the last thing is the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is in Sun Dipped. It retails for 40. So by my calculations, this whole box is 163 American dollars. So it does deliver when it comes to how much everything is worth. Of course, I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what I think about everything. I'll continue to test everything and just report back. But what do you guys think of my box? I am super curious to know your thoughts. I personally am pretty happy with it considering. I know there's a lot of people that are not so happy and some that are over the moon. I would say that mine is pretty average. I think that I've got some great things to try. Most of it is stuff I don't have, so that's amazing. Let me know down below, did you guys get a box as well? What do you guys think of what you got? Thanks so much for watching this video. Of course, if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe before you go. And until my next video, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
But somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way.